Hey guys, welcome back, and today I bring you a new angle. And today we are primarily just going to a park, and hopefully I'll be adding like other activities in the video as well. And I'm trying not to make this intro very long and lengthy how I made mine last time, so we're just gonna go straight to the point. So without further ado, let's get to today's video.
Broke down in tears, and that's when she came around. And it's nights like this when I need you. Once your eyes cross mine, I can't unsee you. Always filled with frames of all those folks who came before you. I could hardly walk, but I was moving about. Cigarette you lit was starting to go out. Have you ever thought about this house? Far too many kids for what the city allows. And it's nights like this when I need you. Once your eyes cross mine, I can't unsee you. And the streets stay calm like a train parked up in the station. Or a house with walls that propped us up while we're wasted. Who are you? All I see are those tied up laces. Your eyes scan the room like a gator in the bayou. Oh, I had some good ideas that I may run by you. Always filled with frames of all those folks who came.
Okay guys, so quick update right now. We are somewhere. I really don't know where, but we're just kind of exploring a little bit. It's hard to find good lighting. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Not much explanation needed. Ooh. So yeah. There's my mom. And there's a waterfall, so let's go check it out.
Run so long, hair falls in my eye. How long till I leave it all behind? Darling, can't you see this city's starting to get to me? Will I ever get to you? Oh, I might. One day we'll go high.
Okay guys, so that's it for today's video, and if you enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe and comment down below what I should do for next video. And yeah, I'll hopefully see you in the next one. Bye!
To laugh